munchies, and welcome back to another taste test video with me. Today we open bag number 15, so let's look for it. And each day it gets easier. And this is 15. So let's have a look what today is inside. And it's a Snickers from Russia again. So it's 2 Snickers, small Snickers inside. So I see the difference to a regular Snickers. It's not with peanuts, it's with hazelnut inside. And caramel, of course. Okay, let me try it. So I'm not a peanut lover, that's why I like this hazelnut Snickers from Russia more than the regular Snickers. And that's why my rating is gonna be 5 stars. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. For more taste test and beauty videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my munchies. Bye!